Good morning, students. Today we will do chapter number 10 of SS, that is spheres of the earth. Okay, so this is the chapter of geography part. Okay, in geography we will learn about space, earth, longitude, latitude, sun, stars. Okay, so this is chapter number 10, spheres of the earth. Okay, so let's start our chapter. So as we know that earth is a very unique planet in our solar system. Why unique? Because only earth is that planet which has got favorable temperature, water, life. Okay, earth is very unique in solar family. Why earth is very unique in solar family? Because earth is the only planet which has got favorable temperature, water and life. अर्थ ही सिर्फ ऐसा एक प्लैनेट है जिसको सही अमाउंट में टेम्परेचर, वाटर एंड लाइफ मिला है, और कोई भी प्लैनेट ऐसा नहीं है. ओके, सो नाउ नेक्स्ट, एट द टाइम ऑफ द ऑरिजिन ऑफ द अर्थ, जब इसका ऑरिजिन हुआ था, एट द टाइम ऑफ द ऑरिजिन ऑफ द अर्थ इट वॉज अ ह्यूज फायर बॉल. वो एक बहुत बड़ा फायर बॉल था. बट स्लोली एंड स्टडी इट स्टार्टेड कूलिंग डाउन. धीरे धीरे कूल डाउन होना स्टार्ट हुआ. एट द टाइम ऑफ कूलिंग डाउन मेनी थिंग चेंज इन टू डिफरेंट पार्ट्स, लाइक some material change into liquid, some change into solid, some change into gas. Now with this changing materials, with this changing elements, four spheres came into existence. And that four spheres are lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. Okay, four spheres are lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. Now what do we mean by lithosphere? What is the meaning of lithosphere? So here litho means rock and sphere means layer. Okay, so the layer made up of rock is known as lithosphere. The layer made up of soil and solid material is known as lithosphere. ऐसा लेयर जो पत्थर से, मिट्टी से बना हुआ है, that is known as lithosphere. Okay, now what things came on this lithosphere? इस पर और क्या क्या चीज़ें आती है? तो थिंग्स लाइक माउंटेन, प्लेन्स, वैलीज, प्लेटूज एक्सेट्रा केम ऑन दिस लिथोस्फीयर. ये सारी चीज़ें इस लिथोस्फीयर पर आती है. यस, एंड अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 29% ऑफ द अर्थ सरफेस इज़ ऑक्यूपाइड बाय दिस लिथोस्फीयर. अगर अर्थ पूरा 100% है तो 100% में से 29% जो है वो लिथोस्फीयर का कवर्ड है. ओके, 29% पे लैंड एरिया है. क्लियर एवरीवन? एंड उसके बाद ये कितना थिक है, हाउ मच थिक दिस लेयर इज़, ये है 64 to 100 किलोमीटर्स थिक. आप सोच सकते हैं कितना बड़ा होगा, 64 to 100 किलोमीटर थिक. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट, now various type of this farming and all this possible on this lithosphere only. Okay, farming, agriculture, farming industries, animal husbandry, all these things are possible on this lithosphere. Okay, next is hydrosphere. Now what do we mean by hydrosphere? Hydrosphere means a layer of liquid. Hydrosphere means जो भी liquid part that present on the earth, liquid part that present on our earth is known as hydrosphere. Now liquid here means what? Water bodies. Yes or no? Only water bodies are in liquid form. सिर्फ वही जो एक चीज़ है जो liquid form में present है हमारी earth के ऊपर. Okay, now we are having different type of water bodies. What different types? Ocean, seas, lakes, well, pond. They are the different type of water bodies. Okay, hydrosphere is a, what do we mean by hydrosphere? The proportion of water area on the earth is known as hydrosphere. Okay, the proportion of water area on the earth's surface is known as hydrosphere. Now hydrosphere is approximately 71% on this earth. 29% is land, that is lithosphere, and 71% is of water, that is hydrosphere. Clear everyone? Okay, now as I told you that hydrosphere means water bodies, and water bodies include oceans, rivers, seas, lakes, ponds, etc. Now what is this oceans? Oceans means the huge water mass. बहुत बड़ा पानी. ठीक है, बहुत बड़ा पानी मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा सरफेस एरिया पर जो पानी से कवर है, दैट इज़ नोन एज ओशंस. जो बहुत ज़्यादा डीप भी होते हैं, दे आर वेरी मच डीप. अराउंड 10 to 11 किलोमीटर्स वो डीप होते हैं. what? Oceans. And oceans water are generally salty water. Okay, ocean का जो पानी होता है that is generally salty water, and approximately 97% of water is there in ocean. 100% water is present on the earth, and from that 100% 97% water is in the ocean only. आप सोच सकते हैं कितना ज़्यादा पानी है ओशन के अंदर. 100% पानी में से 97% पानी जो है वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ ओशंस के अंदर है, एंड रिमेनिंग वाटर इज़ इन द फॉर्म ऑफ आइस शीट्स और इन रिवर्स और लेक्स एंड एनीथिंग. ओके, एनीवेयर. यस. सो एज वी ओके, सो हमने देखा दैट 97% वाटर इज़ ऑन ओशंस. ओके, उसके अलावा अब जो पानी बचा है दैट इज़ अवर फ्रेश वाटर. आप सोच सकते हैं कितना कम पानी बचा है हमारे पीने के लिए, बिकॉज ओशन वाटर इज़ सॉल्टी, वी कांट ड्रिंक दैम. ओके ना, we will drink this pure water, fresh water, and the amount of pure water, fresh water is only 3%. From that 3% is of ice sheets and on rivers and in lakes. सो आइस शीट्स तो हम यूज़ कर नहीं सकते हैं, तो आइस शीट्स का भी रेशियो हमको निकालना पड़ेगा. उसके बाद जो लिटिल अमाउंट पानी बचता है दैट इज़ अवर फ्रेश वाटर. सो द फ्रेश वाटर इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड इट्स वेरी लेस अमाउंट. सो वी हैव टू यूज़ दिस वाटर इन अ वेरी प्रीशियस मैनर. ओके, हमें बहुत ध्यान से इसका यूज़ करना है, हमें इसका वेस्ट नहीं करना है, बिकॉज ये बहुत कम अमाउंट में हमारे यहाँ पर प्रेजेंट है. ओके, now as we talked about ocean, now what things we got from oceans or any water bodies? We'll get different types of minerals like manganese, iron, tin. Okay, different types of chemicals we get from oceans, rivers and lakes and seas. Mainly from hydrosphere we get different types of minerals and chemicals and all that. Okay, and with the help of hydrosphere, with the help of oceans, electricity is generated. Big plants are, बड़े बड़े जो प्लांट्स होते हैं वो वहाँ पर कंस्ट्रक्ट किए जाते हैं. दे आर कंस्ट्रक्टेड देयर इन द ओशन फॉर जनरेटिंग इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, फॉर प्रोड्यूसिंग इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. तो वाटरवेज आर वेरी फेवरेबल. ओके, इन ट्रेड ऑफ डिफरेंट कंट्रीज़ ऑल्सो, क्योंकि हम वाटरवेज का यूज़ कर सकते हैं, हम ओशंस का यूज़ कर सकते हैं एक कंट्री से दूसरे कंट्री में जाने के लिए. क्लियर एवरीवन? नेक्स्ट इज़ एटमॉस्फेयर. नाउ व्हाट डू वी मीन बाय एटमॉस्फेयर? तो gaseous layer on the earth is known as atmosphere. The earth is surrounded by a layer of gas up to the approximate height of 850 to 1000 kilometer. The layer of various gas is called atmosphere. Okay, which various types of gas are present in the atmosphere, present in our surrounding, that is known as atmosphere. Okay, now atmosphere, we can't see atmosphere. Do you see atmosphere? क्या आपको हवा दिखती है, क्या आपको गैस दिखती है? No, we can't see atmosphere. Okay, atmosphere is colorless, odorless and tasteless. Obviously हम उसका कोई कलर नहीं है, उसका कोई ऑर्डर नहीं है, उसका कोई टेस्ट नहीं है. It is a transparent thing. We can only feel the atmosphere. We can't touch him. We can't say that how its taste. हम कुछ नहीं बता सकते, right? It's a transparent thing. Now what include in this atmosphere? Various types of gases, water vapor, dust particles of asteroids, salt particles and microorganisms include in this atmosphere. Okay, ये सारी चीज़ें include होती है. Okay, now as we talked about gases, that gases are included in this atmosphere. Gases is a huge part of this atmosphere. Now which type of gases? So you can see in this chart nitrogen, oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide and other gases. Okay, percentage are also written here. 78% nitrogen, 20% oxygen, 20.99 means 21 you can write. Okay, argon 0.94%, carbon dioxide 0.03% and other gases 0.01%. This is the amount of gases, this is the percentage of gases which are present in our atmosphere. Nitrogen is in very huge amount. Okay, you can see in this chart that nitrogen is in very huge amount presented in our atmosphere. Okay, now yes, in this other gases there is one gas, ozone gas. Okay, ozone gas is very nice gas for our earth because it protect our earth from the ultraviolet rays of the sun. Okay, it protect our earth from this ultraviolet rays of the sun. जो excessive heat हमारी land पर, हमारी earth पे create करता है, उससे जो है वो हमको बचाता है. कौन बचाता है? ओजोन गैस हमको बचाता है. Okay, now next and last is biosphere. The part of environment like lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere where living being is seen alive is called biosphere. Now biosphere is a layer where we are living. Okay, where this biosphere, where this hydrosphere, lithosphere and atmosphere exist. बायोस्फीयर ऐसा पार्ट है जहाँ पे लिथोस्फीयर, हाइड्रोस्फीयर एंड एटमॉस्फेयर एग्जिस्ट करता है. दिस पार्ट इज नोन एज बायोस्फीयर. ओके, बायोस्फीयर इज कंप्राइज्ड ऑफ वैरायटी ऑफ लाइफ फॉर्म. यहाँ पे बहुत अलग अलग चीज़ें आपको देखने को मिलेगी. इट इंक्लूड ह्यूमन, वेजिटेशन एंड एनिमल लाइफ. ओके, फ्रॉम बायोस्फीयर वी गेट आवर फूड. ओके, नेक्स्ट. So biosphere is a base of living being. Okay, biosphere is a completely base for living organisms. Next and the last topic of this chapter is impact of human activities. Now impact of human activities means what? Means the activity which we are doing that creating effect on our spheres, on our earth. Now what harsh effect it's creating on our sphere is that? See, for our development, for our benefit, we are causing harm to this layer, to lithosphere, to hydrosphere, to atmosphere. We are causing harm to this layer. How? By constructing these factories, buildings, hospital, we are damaging our lithosphere. By polluting unnecessary waste, by dropping unnecessary waste in the river, we are polluting our hydrosphere. And by generating unnecessary smokes and gases in air, mixing them in the air, we are polluting our atmosphere. In this way, we are causing a huge impact. Our activities are causing huge impact and huge loss to our spheres only. हमारी एक्टिविटी के वजह से ही, हमारे डेवलपमेंट की वजह से ही हमारे जो स्पीयर्स हैं उन पर बहुत ज़्यादा रिस्क है, वो बहुत ज़्यादा हार्म में है. ओके, सो दिस इज़ योर चैप्टर नंबर 10, स्पीयर्स ऑफ द अर्थ. आई होप you all got the chapter very much clearly. Okay, thank you so much students.